Daemon, for network intelligence for adaptive and self-learning mobile networks, is a research and innovation action funded by the European Commission under call ICT 52, the first call to spearhead research on 6G in Europe. It brings together a consortium of 12 partners spanning large industries, small-medium enterprises, and academic institutions across 8 European countries.
The research community is already drafting requirements for the next generation of mobile networks, that is 6G. And among those requirements, a prominent one is going to be full automation of the network management. This will allow mobile network operators to take full advantage of the ongoing trends in softwarization, cloudification of mobile network architectures. The Daemon project stems from the consideration that the success of 6G as a technology will largely depend on the quality of these solutions that will take the automated decisions within the network, which we collectively name network intelligence.
We are trying to integrate network intelligence inside the network architecture. So we had to study how to deal with different timescales, how to coordinate different network intelligence instances inside the network, and also how to leverage on the existing data analytics.
Integrates artificial intelligence, but also other models or other approaches, perhaps more classical, such as convex optimization, Bayesian learning, or regression models that have been used for many years now. But in conjunction with artificial intelligence, they may actually solve problems more effectively.
There are a number of challenges, ranging from the data harvesting from the network components up to the timing requirements that such component need to fulfill, because we are talking about very high data rates.
In Daemon, we are looking into this problem from 3 different perspectives. The first one is what we call in the field network densification. This is essentially deploying substantial number of cellular base stations in the same space to provide this increasing coverage. Of course, this comes at an extra cost because we are deploying more equipment in the same space. So the key thing here is actually to build base stations that are very low cost, yet provide a very high performance. And in Daemon, we are attempting to achieve this by deploying network intelligence that manage the resources associated with base stations very accurately, so we never waste any resource unnecessarily. The second facet that we are looking into in Daemon are what we call intelligent surfaces. This is a new technology, which are surfaces that we can deploy on walls, in the environment in a way that is seamless to the users, and they have the capability to reflect signals in a way that we can control as an operator. And the third perspective is what we call in Daemon in backhaul network intelligence to support AI applications such as, for instance, image recognition, image classification, or movement tracking, very popular applications where AI is helping out a lot.
We are trying to understand first how different network intelligence instances are interacting among them, how the lifecycle management of such network component need to be integrated. We believe that the things we are doing in our project are very innovative and have potential to pave the way for the next generation of mobile network.
All the ideas that we are trying to implement in Daemon specifically look to this practical component that artificial intelligence have to actually give an advantage to mobile systems.
We hope that this will leave a good footprint for both the industrial work and also for the research work that can be done starting from what we are doing now.